Hi everyone, this is Pratima Naik again. Today we will discuss some objective questions asked in CBSE and other entrance examination based on vectors. Question is very simple question. Find the projection vector of vector A on B. 4 options are given. So you will see the minutely B is the answer. Question: the number of vectors of unit length perpendicular to the vectors A, vector A is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, and B vector is j cap plus k cap. So perpendicular to both the vector is cross product. So one is A cross B and other is B cross A. So there will be 2. B is the answer. Very fundamental question. The vector in the direction of vector A has magnitude 9 units. So we know that the answer will be 9 into unit vector along A, and unit vector along A will be I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap upon magnitude of the vector, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square under root. So this will be 9 by 3, 3 multiplies I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So answer is C. The projection of the vector A on vector B. So projection formula, if you recall, it will be A dot B by magnitude of B. So 3 in multiplies 1 component of I minus 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 3. That will be 3 minus 2 plus 6. This is the numerator, and denominator is magnitude of B 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square under root. So it will be 7 upon under root 14, or this is under root 14 by 2. So answer is B. Magnitude of A is given to 10, magnitude of B is given to 2, A dot B is given 12, and we are asked A cross B. So A dot B square is equal to mod A square mod B square into cos square theta. Similarly, A cross B square is equal to A square B square into sin square theta. If we add them, it will be just A square into B square. So A cross B whole square is equal to A square B square minus A dot B whole square. So this will be 100 10 square into 2 square 4 minus 12 square 144. It is equal to 256. So A cross B modulus is equal to square root of 256, should be 16. So answer is D. In triangle ABC, AB vector and AC vectors are given as j plus k and 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. We have to get length of the median through A. 4 options are given. AD median vector is same as half AB vector plus AC vector. Now get AB vector plus AC vector, it will be 3i plus 0j plus 5k cap. Now its magnitude will be 3 square plus 0 square 5 square under root. It will be under root 34 by 2. So answer is A. If A and B are unit vectors, then what is the angle between vector A and vector B? For under root 3 A minus B is a unit vector. Options are 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So what we'll do, we'll take root 3 vector A minus vector B modulus square is equal to 3 vector A mod square plus modulus B square minus 2 into root 3 into vector A into vector B mod into cos theta. So 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 cos theta, because A and B are both unit vector. So from this, cos theta is equal to under root 3 by 2, so theta is equal to 30 degree. So A is the answer. If A and B are two vectors such that modulus magnitude of A is same as magnitude of B is equal to root 2 and A dot B is equal to minus 1, then the angle between vector A and vector B is, options are given. So cos theta is equal to A dot B by mod A into mod B. So it will be minus 1 upon root 2 into root 2, that will be 2. So when it is cos theta is minus half, then theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. So C is the answer. Next question. Find the scalar triple product of A minus B, B minus C and C minus A, where magnitude of A is 1, B is 5 and C is 3. Options are 0, 1, 6 and none of this. So if we see minutely, the scalar triple product of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A is always equal to 0. So answer is A. If A plus B modulus is same as A minus B modulus, then which option is correct? Mod A is equal to mod B, mod A is perpendicular to B, A is parallel to B and none of this. So when magnitude is given, we will take just dot product or whole square. So it will be A square plus B square plus 2A dot B, and in right side A square plus B square minus 2A dot B. From this we will get 4A dot B is 0. So A is perpendicular to B. So B is correct. Next question. If A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then what is the mod of A plus B plus C? So options are given. We'll take magnitude A plus B plus C whole square is equal to magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus magnitude C square plus 2A dot B, 2B dot C, 2A dot C. So here when they are mutually perpendicular, so A dot B, B dot C and A dot C will be 0. So A plus B plus C mod square is equal to 3. So A plus B plus C is root 3. Now mod A cross B is equal to 4. Mod A dot B is equal to 2. Then you have to find mod A square into mod B square. Options are given. Now if you will know the formula or concept, A dot B square plus A cross B whole square, this is same as A square B square cos square theta plus sin square theta. So that will be again A square into B square. So here putting this value, we will get 16 plus 4, that will be 20. So A square B square is equal to 20. So C is correct. A and B are two unit vectors. A alpha is the angle between them. And then A plus B is a unit vector if the conditions are given for alpha. Pi by 4, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi by 2. So we write A plus B mod square is same as mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 A dot B. And what is A dot B? A dot B is AB cos alpha. So 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 into cos alpha. So cos alpha is equal to minus half, and when cos alpha is minus half, alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. C is answer. So this is a simple question. If theta is angle between any two vector A and B and A cross B mod is same as A dot B, then what is theta? So A dot B is equal to mod A into mod B into cos theta. A cross B mod is equal to A mod into B mod into sin theta. So when they are equal, that means sin theta is equal to cos theta and theta is equal to, yes, it is pi by 4. So B is the answer. If the vectors A vector 4i cap plus 11j cap plus xk cap B is equal to 7i cap, 2j cap and 6k cap, and C is equal to I cap plus 5j cap plus 4k cap are coplanar, then the value of x is 4 options are given. Now scalar triple product of the vectors we can get from determinant. So 4, 11, x, a vector is written in the first line, and 7, 2, 6 and 1, 5, 4. This is equal to 0. So solving this we will get x equal to 10. So C is the answer. The diagonals of the parallelogram are represented by the vectors d1 vector 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and d2 is given the area of the parallelogram is asked. So we will apply the formula half d1 plus d2. This will be ijk 3 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 3 4. So this will be minus 2i plus 14j and its modulus is equal to answer. Magnitude of A is given 8, B is given 3. A cross B magnitude is given 12. We have to find A dot B. 4 options are given. So A cross B modulus is same as mod A into mod B into sin theta. We get sin theta as half and theta is equal to plus minus pi by 6. So now putting in A dot B, it will be magnitude of B into A into cos theta. So this gives 12 root 3. So C is the answer. Very basic question. Find a vector of magnitude 11 in direction opposite to PQ vector, where P and Q points are 1, 3, 2 and minus 1, 0, 8 respectively. So first we will get the vector PQ, that will be minus 1, minus 1i cap, 0, minus 3 j cap and 8 minus 2 k cap. It will be minus 2i cap, minus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap. So now we have to get the opposite of it. So QP it will be just negative of this. Now get the magnitude of QP. It will be 2 square plus 3 square minus 6 square. It will be 7. So therefore unit vector along this QP is equal to QP vector by mod QP. It will be 2i plus 3j minus 6k upon 7. In the direction of sum of the vectors, A is 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and B vector is equal to minus I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. So let C denotes the sum of A plus B. So adding them you will get C vector is equal to I cap plus 5k cap and its magnitude will be 1 square plus 5 square under root, that will be under root 26. So unit vector along C is equal to C cap is equal to C vector upon C mod. It will be 1 by root 26 whole into I cap plus 5j cap. So this is the answer. Basic question. Find the position vector of R which divides the line joining 2 points PQ. QP vector is equal to 2A vector plus B vector and OQ is equal to A vector minus 2B vector respectively in the ratio 1:2 internally and externally. So you will put in the section formula only. So if it is divided internally, so it will be 2i 2A plus B plus 1 into A minus 2B vector by 1 plus 2. So it will be 5A vector by 3. Similarly, we can get for externally taking a negative side in between. I hope you have enjoyed learning. So please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.